Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how do you scan on iPhone. So to scan on iPhone, here you can see there is a search option. Just search for the app code scanner. Just click on this code scanner and just scan a code. And after scanning any code, it will take you the website or anything else. You can also scan from documents. If I just go to my notes, and in the bottom right side, if I click this, here you can see there is a camera icon, and you can just select documents or scan text. I'm selecting documents, and if you just click on it, you can just save this, keep scan. So guys, that's how you can scan on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.